Gateway Academy, the journey begins beyond the classroom, where the adventure never ends. So many pathways that you can explore. Unlock your future, there's so much in store. Dive into computer science where coding comes alive, or maybe build a future where the engineers thrive. From teaching young minds to soaring through the sky, at Gateway Academy, the limit is the sky. Construction technology, build your dreams with care, and shape the minds of tomorrow with lessons that you share. Engineering wonders, from aerospace to civil, automation and electrical, your skills will always sizzle. Family consumer science, where the kitchen's your domain. Early childhood education, guiding kids through the rain. Health science pathways, saving lives with skill. At Gateway Academy, you can make your dreams real. Fly high in aviation, maintain those wings with pride, or craft cinematic stories with media by your side. Automotive maintenance, welding sparks that fly. In every corner of this place, your passion can't deny. Biomedical sciences, athletic training's call. Future program leads the way, CCPS does it all. From maintenance machinists to phlebotomy's care. At Gateway Academy, your future's waiting there. So step into the light where your journey will unfold. At Gateway Academy, adventure's yours to hold. With every skill you master, every dream you chase, your future starts today in this incredible place.